Oh boy.
La.
Kaya mo lang, kaya mo lang.
Ala,
Hindi,
ayaw.
hindi makita, hindi kita mukha. Huwag mo pakita mukha, buhok lang.
What are you doing?
Let me call you back.
CJ just got in with Lioness.
Tatayo ka sa walang parlo.
She could have been hurt, Gloria. Bailey saved her.
Let me get this straight. It's one of those hero dogs you see on
Buhok
TV.
mo.
Its name is Bailey.
I love when my boy Ethan says my name.
I know what you did, boss dog. Come on.
I don't know where Gloria found this baby, but it is a great addition.
CJ is smart and curious. We just have to keep an eye on her.
Why, I turned my back for 2 seconds.